Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I wanted to share a product that's really helped me incorporate more protein in my diet. This is the Trader Joe's organic hemp protein powder in the vanilla flavor. So I love this product. I've been using it almost every day in my smoothies. I love that just one single serving can give you 9 grams of protein. And I like the fact that it is hemp. So there's no whey, there's no soy. I like the fact that as soon as you smell it, it smells a little earthy, but it doesn't taste that way because there is organic coconut sugar added to give it that little bit of flavor. I personally like using it in my smoothies every day. I'll throw in some frozen fruit, some almond butter, some almond milk, and I'll put in a scoop of this. And I know that as well as protein in my diet, I'm getting dietary fiber, I'm getting omega-3. So there's so many benefits from this protein powder. I like the fact that it dissolves really well in my smoothie. It doesn't leave any grittiness. It's really easy to take. You could probably even just mix it with your choice of water or non-dairy milk, whatever you want. But I'm just really impressed with this product. I feel like it gives a really good amount of protein in such a small scoop. So I don't think you'll be disappointed. Definitely try it, but that's just my point of view.